Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are good. So, today we are going to start with a new chapter of our computer book, that is your chapter number 8, Internet. So, students, what is Internet? We see Internet is a basic need, or you can say it is a walk of life, or the need of the hour. We use internet in our smartphones, smart TVs, even homes are today smart homes. So all this is due to the internet. Internet is basically a global network which connects lots of computers all over the world. Let's begin with what is internet? Important terminologies. Basic requirement for internet connection. Browsing. Internet and its uses. Internet etiquettes. So let's just start the chapter.
What is Internet? Internet is a global network of interconnected computers where one computer can be connected to any other computer in any portion of the world. The interconnection of networks all across the world is known as Internet or simply Net. It is very well organized and is a storehouse of information. Internet is provided by Internet service providers. Many companies across India and the globe provide Internet connection. Some of these companies are Airtel, JioFiber, MTNL, BSNL, etc. There are two types of internet connections. 1. Dial-up connection. It is connected through a phone line. It is a slow connection. 2. Broadband connection. It does not require a dial-up and is available without a phone line connection. It provides high-speed internet connection. Modem. Modem stands for modulator-demodulator. It is a device which connects one computer to another using telephone lines. A modem can be fitted into the computer or may be attached to the computer from outside. Through modem, a computer sends and receives all the data. Web page. Similar to a book which has all the information printed on different pages, Internet also has different pages that store all the information. Pages which are called web pages. These pages are in digital form. The information on these pages can be in the form of text, video, audio, images, etc. Pages which are created in HTML. World Wide Web. World Wide Web is a collection of related websites. These sites are connected in the manner of a web that has all the information accessible to anyone in the world. Website. A website is a collection of related web pages. Each website has a unique website address. This unique address is called URL. Web browser. Web browser is a computer software that helps us to access information on the internet. The commonly used web browsers are Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, and Opera. Home page. The first page of any website that appears when we open that website is called its home page. Search engines. A search engine is a computer program that helps us to find information on the internet based upon the words that we type. Some of the famous search engines are www.google.com, www.yahoo.com, www.ask.com, etc. Basic requirements for internet connection. A computer is required to access all the information on the internet. Modem is required to connect computer to the internet connection. It may or may not be connected to a telephone line. Modem is provided by the internet service providers. Internet connection is required to use the web. It is provided by ISPs such as Tata Communications, Reliance Communications, Airtel, BSNL, MTNL, etc. Nowadays, internet connection is available in a portable device called data card. It looks like a pen drive and can be inserted into the port of the computer to access internet. Web browser must be installed in the computer. It is used to search the internet. Browsing. To start browsing. Step 1. Open the Start menu and click on the browser. Browser can also be opened by double-clicking on its desktop icon. Step 2. Write the URL of the website you want to open in the address box and press Enter key. The home page of that website opens. Internet and its uses. Internet is used to do many different things. Some of the uses of Internet are: Internet is very vast and has information on almost everything. We can use Internet to access all this information. Internet helps us to communicate with a person sitting miles away. Using Internet, we can send emails, pictures, messages, videos, audios, etc. very quickly. Internet is a great platform to buy or sell different things online. We can avail online services like ticket booking, paying bills, hotel bookings, etc. Internet is used to download data. We can download movies, songs, videos, games, pictures and files from the Internet. Internet helps us to connect to our friends and family through various social media websites like facebook.com, twitter.com, etc. We can search for jobs on the Internet. There are several chatting portals on the Internet. We can do live chat virtually with our relatives, friends and family. Chatting can be done individually or with a group of people in virtual chat rooms. Internet etiquettes. 1. Don't share your personal information like address, phone number, school details, bank details, etc. online. 2. When new to Internet, use it under the guidance of your elders. 3. Respect others' privacy. 4. Do not type bad words on the Internet.